Are you using the original method for material aging test? SONACME-Cabinet UV aging test chambers adopts 8 original imported UV lamps, which can accurately reproduce the destructive effects of sunlight, rain, and dew on the material to ensure a real and reliable testing environment. In addition, the chamber adopts the UV lamp of life of up to 5,000 to 6,000 hours, which can significantly reduce maintenance costs. This chamber supports dual model testing of UV emulations and condensation cycle, which can simulate the aging effects of outdoor for months or even years with one click, and significantly shorten the RMD cycle and flexibility to meet different testing standards. It is suitable for fading, cracking, oxidizing, and other aging tests of many materials such as paints, plastics, automotive parts, adhesives, and so on. If you would like to know about more information, welcome to contact us.